My video is about removing the scary alerts related to the site Sahes.live. Some people see these strange pop-ups by Sahes.live. Definitely these pop-ups are fake and really deceptive. They claim to be the message from the well-known security company, but these are fake security alerts. Don't trust them. Don't tolerate them, and obviously don't install anything that such pop-ups could ever suggest. The only correct conclusion is to leave this page. Also, we recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable antivirus. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and after the program is successfully installed, start carefully examining the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.